n'y a pas que le sexe dans la vie, moi je vous le dis.
C'est vrai, il y a le cul.
Il y a les nichons aussi.
En fait, toi, Thomas, je te vois bien fumeur de joint dans un square. Fumeur de joint dans un square.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my room. I hope you like it. Comment down below what you think. This is my painting of Lord Shiva and Jesus chilling together. Here are my mala beads. This one's from Ghana. This one's from the ISKCON temple. This one's from Sikkim, Northeast India. This one's from Mumbai. This one's from Sikkim again. And I don't even remember where I got this one. Here's a collection of the books that I read. This one right here is about 20 years old. And that's my painting. Here are my paintbrushes and some random things put together with my perfumes, my wooden comb, and a random wine bottle. Here's a bunch of more little things put together. That's my Bluetooth speaker, which is catching rust, but it works just fine. There's creeper right here. I saw it fallen on the street, so I picked it up, got it home, put it in a bottle of water, and it's alive again. That's an Al Koran book that I read before going to sleep.
On se regarde jamais proche.
That's a writing pad and I made it a palette. My earrings, my hoop earrings, my necklaces. My bag of incense sticks. That's a forever unfinished painting I put on my bed. String lights. My window. The cameras I never use. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my bed. And we're